Alright guys, welcome back to another Street Series video. Don't mind the open hood. We're going to be installing the hybrid racing short shifter and the hybrid racing short shifter and the bushings. Alright, check it out guys. Don't mind my dirty ass car, but here's the short throw shifter. Look how short the throws are. It's literally boom, boom, boom. Way shorter. The OEM one, just to get to neutral, is like way over here, and you got to go again. So this one makes it much easier. First, second. So yeah, hybrid racing short shifter. Then I'm still debating if I should rock it like this, rock it like that, like this. A lot of people rock it like at an angle. Figure it out once it's on there. But yeah, here's everything it comes with. And then I also ordered the hybrid racing bushings. Might as well. So yeah, and then shout out Heel Toe, always in your corner. Heel Toe Automotive, check them out. And then don't forget to subscribe. My cup holder cover broke, so we're gonna glue that bitch back on. Gorilla Glue. Hopefully it works. Oh, it's gonna work. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if my old shift knob will fit. I gotta use this universal thread pitch.
Thread.
Here, hold the camera. Let me see if it fits.
Shit, I think I covered it.
Doesn't look hard if it. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, but let me see your shift knob.
Hold on. Why'd you fart?
I didn't fart. That was you. What the heck?
Oh yeah, I could do this.
The next is gonna look sick, red on red, and black too.
Like this. So I think I'm gonna either
sideways like that.
Way. It looks cool because you can see the logo, or this way.
You gotta say shout out to hybrid racing.
Or should I use it like this? What you guys think?
What the?
With all the screws, the fittings. I'm not sure where this goes. Probably where the actual shifter goes. We'll see right now. And it comes with zip ties. I don't know what the zip ties are for, but
I have those.
You never know. You always need zip ties for stuff.
Are they just in color with the shift knob?
And then the hybrid racing bushings.
Stay down. I can't talk to you, I'm out the way now. Gave up on me back when I was way down. I ain't had no sleep enough for days now. I'm on my way now. You should have stayed down. I can't talk to you.
Check it out guys, there's the OEM one. And then here is the hybrid racing. Look at the difference in the throws. So that's OEM. And then hybrid racing. Look. You see that? Look at the difference. Hybrid racing's all the way through. OEM. That'll make a whole difference in a race, or just shifting in general. See, hybrid racing's all the way through right there. OEM still has all that space. And then back. One more time, just so you guys can see. And so you know I'm not. See? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bitch in.
Gave up on me back when I was way down. I ain't had no sleeping up for days now. I'm on my way now. Down too long, no yeah. I ain't going back down low. Promise I won't stress no more. Not easily impressed no more. You chasing in millions. Nigga like me chasing billions. Don't wasting my time. Time to get back to the grind. Took time off, gotta get.
So here it is. This is my old shift knob. Damn, that shit feels good too. It feels notchy. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then reverse and neutral. And then now we're gonna go ahead and put the hybrid racing bushings for the front on the shifter cables. So yeah, some premium Honda racing gear. Check out Heel to Automotive. Damn, look at the difference.
And then this one has a little
What is that, like
bushing inside.
spindle, bushing?
Ball joint kind of thing.
Shit looks sick. I'm
Little
gonna
nipple.
put this away too though, just in case.
No.
Unless someone on here is trying to buy it. $1 OBO. I got a lot of cash, man. When I was a baby? I thought it was my baby picture. Where's my baby picture?
That's
You have it?
before the buffness, huh?
Yeah, that was before I started working out. That's when I was a Twiggy.
That was like when you first graduated, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's when I was doing my EMT school.
Like right after graduate, like.
But then YouTube took off. Now that I have 100,000 subscribers, I was able to drop out of EMT school.
I know he looks like that.
Just kidding, imagine. That's not how I look now, that's how I used to look.
That's like when you first started working out.
Yeah, when I thought I was buff. After hitting the gym twice. That's me. That's how my kid's gonna look, huh?
Yeah, but with long hair.
That's gonna be the future
Street series.
Street Series owner right there. He's gonna be running the YouTube channel one day.
This one's ready. Now the back one. Back one's gonna be a little harder. It's a little more hidden.
Oh, you can't even see that one. But
No.
same concept, guys. You want to put that pin in the place so it's locked. And yeah, in the box, everything, it comes with everything. It comes with the pins, everything you'll need to install it.
Okay.
Alright guys, short shifter's in.
Yeah.
So there's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, neutral, reverse. Look how much shorter the gears are. Well, the throws. So we put the short shifter in and the hybrid racing bushings as well in the front for the cables. Whew. So here is the bushings for the shifter cables. There's the first one and there's the second one. It comes with the pins, it comes with everything you need to install them. And then here are the old ones. So look at the difference. There's the old one and there's the new one. You can't really see it because of that cable, but there you go. Man, that charger is so clean. The Street Series banner. That boy's sick. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Today we installed the hybrid racing short throw shifter and the hybrid racing bushings as well. Honestly, the car feels like a whole new car now that I've been driving it with the short throw shifter. I would 10 out of 10 recommend it if you have the money. I know they are a little bit pricey, but it's well worth the money for sure. Next video I'll definitely do like a POV driving video. Hopefully, I don't know, I'll see my little brother wants to get some runs in. I'll definitely do something like that, but definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't ever seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.